The Kucacci Fingerprint door lock, KF100, offers a versatile keyless entry system with multiple unlocking options, including fingerprint and app access, making it highly convenient. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a screwdriver, and the lock is designed to fit both left and right-hand doors effortlessly. The user-friendly app enhances security by allowing remote password generation and access permissions, providing peace of mind for property owners. Constructed from high hardness and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, the lock boasts a backlit keypad and weather-resistant features for added security. With the integration of Alexa voice commands and potential for remote control via Wi-Fi, this lock offers advanced technological capabilities for modern homes. Kucacci provides a robust customer support system with a lifetime of free app access, a 1-year warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring customer satisfaction.